Australians delay car maintenance. As cost of living soars, Australians are increasingly delaying or skipping essential car maintenance due to rising financial pressures. A new study reveals. The trend highlights a broader shift in consumer behavior as household budgets tighten, forcing difficult trade-offs between immediate expenses and long-term vehicle health. Postponed services and neglected repairs. A recent report by Canstar shows that 57% of Australian households have delayed, reduced, or cancelled car-related expenses in the past year. Nearly half, 49%, of the 2,700 car owners surveyed admitted to postponing scheduled servicing, while 28% put off buying a new vehicle and 17% scrapped those plans altogether. More concerning, 25% of respondents reported neglecting necessary repairs, including critical safety components like brake pads and tires. This decision poses a direct risk to road safety, as deferred maintenance can lead to mechanical failures and accidents. Generational trends and regional disparities. Younger demographics are disproportionately affected. 69% of Gen Z and 67% of millennials have cut back on car expenses, compared to 60% of Gen X and 42% of baby boomers. The financial strain isn't evenly distributed across the country. Victoria and Western Australia report the highest rates of delayed or cancelled car spending, with 60% of motorists in those states making similar decisions. Tasmania, New South Wales, South Australia, and Queensland follow at 59%, 57%, 56%, and 54% respectively. Beyond servicing, fuel quality and insurance cuts to save money. Some owners are also compromising on fuel quality, 17%, or reducing driving frequency. A significant number, 21%, have canceled or reduced non-compulsory car insurance coverage, exposing themselves to greater financial risk in case of accidents. A small but notable 5% have sold a vehicle without replacing it, indicating a more permanent shift in transportation habits. The rising cost of transport. The trend comes amid growing transport costs. The Australian Bureau of Statistics reported inflation rising from 3.4% to 3.8% by December 2023. But the Australian Automobile Association, AAA, claims households now spend 15.6% of their income on transport, averaging $452 per week, an increase of nearly $100 in 5 years. When it comes to your car, safety has to be the #1 priority, well above saving money, so servicing and maintenance has to be on the list of non-negotiables, says Canstar's Director of Data Insights, Sally Tyndall. Long-term consequences. Skipping maintenance may provide short-term savings, but it risks higher repair costs down the line and reduces vehicle lifespan. Delaying servicing can also lower resale value. The study underscores a difficult reality for many Australian drivers, prioritizing financial survival over preventative care, even if it means compromising safety or long-term value.